Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel this morning, ladies and gentlemen, to another new business I want to share with you today. This business, the reason why I love this business is that you don't need to just recruit anyone. You don't need to even worry yourself about, just invest your money and start making money. Because I normally join a business that if you can refer, can you still make the money? That is why I love to use ESPN Global today. So now I'll show you step by step on how to make $3,000 every single week. You can make $3,000 every single week in this particular business without recruiting anyone. Just come along with me. I will show you everything step by step on this platform on how you can make $3,000 every single week without bringing anyone. I will show you step by step on how to make a lot of money in this business. I believe most of you join me in my Soma's business and you are making passive income. In this business today, I want to show you step by step on how to make a lot of money in this ESPN's Global right away, step by step. So I will read out a short note for you guys to just know what is ESPN, what are they doing, how are they generating money to pay a member. Today I will show you everything step by step. Just come along with me right away. Now I want to show you why joining ESPN. What is their product and services? What are other benefits? The major product and service of this great company are blockchain transaction services, export promotion service, and referral program. In fact, ESPN partly offer an e-commerce service to affiliate member courtesy of a super matching bonuses paid weekly to members after registration. Also runs as a full multi-level marketing organization where you can earn massive reward from promotion and referrals. You also earn huge income daily from activities of people who come into the business through your invitation. Can you see? The ESPN Global Hall of Fame Club is a systematic payment process that rewards all members on a first come, first served basis. You need to do nothing at all after your registration to earn a minimum of $57.2 million in 24 months from the day of your registration. Can you see? $57.2 million in 24 months from the day of your registration. Can you see? This is passive income, guys. Also, picking up an account or package in ESPN Global automatically provide you with a 500 pieces of their coin called SGT, which can be multiplied into 127 or more places depending on your choice package. ESPN create some smooth and flexible cryptocurrency wallet for you. This wallet enables you to start storing, the trading, buying or selling your world's most valuable digital asset called cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, can you see, and ESPN Smart Gaming Token. Can you see? Can you see ESPN Smart Gaming Token? Note, you have all this blockchain wallet at your back and call to use when you are done setting up your account with ESPN Global. The free 500 SGT and can you see SGT coin that are being shared as it airdrop today will soon stop from being distributed freely and possible by June 2021. When the coin is finally launched into the world coin market cap, it has been predicted that 1 SG will be equal to $1, which is equally 500 naira as our darling ESPN EPT value now. 1 EPT equal to 500 naira in Nigeria here. Let's assume you have been given 100 pieces of this coin for free. Now, that means your free coin will be automatically worth $100,000 for you within few months to come. This is the major reason you should pick up your package before now. Don't wait no further now. Can you see? ESPN Global is the world's biggest revolution. Please don't hesitate to take your position as soon as possible. Congratulations for hearing about this opportunity. Can you see? How can you become a member in this platform? Option 1, can you see? You can start with like let's say 3 accounts is for 3 accounts, which is 150 because one account is $50. is $50. But so if you want, because you can, you just what you need is that just start with $150. Can you see? Then there are with the network fee, all those things, blockchain fee, you can spend like 78,000 naira in Nigerian. What you will earn for this package, can you see? Then 2,888 naira in the first 4 week, in the first 4 days of your registration. Then 1,920 naira every single week. Can you see? That is the bonus you are going to get on this platform. Then 99,840 naira in 52 weeks. Can you see? 400,000 naira in 1 year from all of fame. Can you see? You can earn more when you share this information with people. Can you see? Option 2, invest $350, which is 175,000 with the network fee. Because of the blockchain network fee, you are going to spend always 182,000 naira for this package. Then what you earn for these packages is 14,000 naira in the first 4 days, then 6,000 naira every single week. Then the second option is that you will earn also 288,000 naira in 52 weeks. Then you are going to get also 1,200,000 naira, 1,200,000 in 1 year for all of fame. Can you see? You can earn more when you share this opportunity to people. Can you see? Another package is option 3. It is 750 $750, which is 375. With the network fee, you are going to spend over 390,000 naira. What you will earn for this package, for the first 4 days you join, you are going to earn 48,000 naira in the first 4 days you join. Then number 2, you also earn 14,000 naira every single week. Number 3, you are going to earn 728,000 naira in the 52 weeks. Can you see? Second, the fourth option, number 4, you are going to earn 2,800,000 naira in the year, in 1 year from all of fame. Can you see? That is just inbox me on my WhatsApp. I'll put down my WhatsApp number, the link to join, to sign up, my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp number, everything you need about this information, because I don't want this video to be too long for you guys to, just but WhatsApp me. I'll put my WhatsApp number under this video right away, to just WhatsApp me right away, and let's start making the money instantly without any problem. Can you see? The last package is about can you see? This is another package which is option 5. This is 3,150. You are going to network fee. To start with, you are going to get 1. Then can you see? This package is about 3,150. Then total you are going to spend is about 1,638,000. Then the first week you are going to earn 352,000 naira. Can you see? 75,000 naira in every single week. Then 3,900,000 in 52 weeks. Then 12,400,000 naira in year from all of him. Can you see? Can you see? Just inbox me. This is the last option. Is about 6,350 package. Can you see? All the money you are going to spend for this, going to 3 million plus. Then what you earn from this package, which is the first 4 days, you are going to earn 750,000 naira for this last packages. Can you see this last package? Can you see? Then number 2, you are going to earn 171 naira every single week. Then within 52 weeks, you are going to make 8,890,000 naira in 52. Can you see? Then lastly, you are going to make over 25,200,000 naira in 1 year for all of him. This is passive income, guys. You don't need to just waste your time. Just inbox me on my WhatsApp, message me on WhatsApp. Let me know just comment below under this video. I'll put down the link to join, my WhatsApp number, my WhatsApp group, everything you need about the business. Just inbox me on my WhatsApp and on my Telegram number. Just inbox me right away as you are watching this video in any country you are watching this video. I would love to see your message as soon as possible after you watch this video finish. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video to all your friends. Let's make the money together. Thank you so much. Bye for now.